my recent learning is that yoga is beyond just the physical.
Yeah.
But there is also a certain kind of mental clarity that it can give you if you approach it with that kind of attitude. I'm trying to go for Shavasana because there's already so much happening in life.
कुल मिला के 2 shows have come out.
Shows came out.
कुल मिला के 2 shows have come out. Yes.
Hava तो Instagram पे.
Instagram bro, Instagram पे.
The world is saying you are the best, you are the best, you are the best.
हाँ.
For example, if that gets stuck in your mind और आपको लगे कि यार
I'm the cat's whiskers. I'm the best.
The biggest lesson that I have learned is that life goes on. It feels like you stimulating yourself
Constantly, no?
But I don't know if our brains have evolved for
To
this
take
kind
that kind of
this
influx,
amount
so
of
much of-
stimulation. कि रोज आया करो.
Let's do the warrior pose. अवोल पराशर के घर में हम आज आ गए हैं. My name is Glenn. I am searching for Zen.
Oh,
And
wow.
that is why on this World Yoga Day मैं कह रहा हूँ with the B-Town buddies of mine जहाँ पर हम poses वगैरह तो करते ही हैं कैमरे के सामने, लेकिन इस बार
हाँ.
योगा पोज करेंगे.
अच्छा योगा पोस्ट करेंगे?
हाँ.
अच्छा.
We're celebrating Yoga Day, World Music Day, सब एक साथ. What is yoga for you or exercise for you to keep your mind sane? क्योंकि आप actor है, कलाकार है, there is so much of rejection, there's so much of acceptance, there's so much of validation.
Yeah.
You're constantly oscillating between these things.
Yeah, yeah.
So what is yoga for you? Or
I mean, I won't say that I do yoga very regularly.
Yeah.
I wish I did. But there are certain phases
Huh.
of life when I have tried yoga and it has worked wonderfully for me.
Right.
What I got from yoga was, of course, a physical discipline, you know, and putting your body through a physical exercise. But it's also, I think, my recent learning is that yoga is beyond just the physical.
Yeah.
It's not just a stretching exercise, or it's not just like, you know, कि अच्छा पैर में दर्द हो रहा है, कमर में दर्द हो रहा है. Of course, that it helps in all of that
yeah.
department. But there is also a certain kind of mental clarity that it can give you if you approach it with that kind of attitude, and if you're looking for that approach to yoga also, which growing up I didn't understand as much, honestly. Growing up, I thought that it's just about, you know, going
Stretch
into weird
liya.
poses
हाँ.
or, you know, contorting yourself or
Right.
having flexibility. But lately, practicing it in a certain way, I realized कि यार वो mental flexibility
हाँ.
का भी एक game है उसमें,
Right.
which if you approach it from that angle, it helps you calm down, keep your mind and thoughts and
Right.
feelings in check. I mean, there is meditation also kind of connected to yoga in a certain way.
Right.
One can meditate. Many yoga sessions end in a shavasana where you kind of like, you know, focus on a certain thing.
That takes me to my next question. Your current mental state. 3 asanas I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
Shirshasana, which is headstand.
हाँ.
Shavasana, which is rested.
Yeah.
या फिर warrior pose. Veerbhadrasana.
So between the three, what
is your current mental state?
I think I'm trying to go for Shavasana.
Shavasana.
I'm trying to go for Shavasana because there's already so much happening in life.
हाँ.
Especially the last 30-40 days. We had 2 shows that came out.
Right. कुल मिला के 2 shows have come
2
out.
shows came out.
कुल मिला के 2 shows have come out. Yes.
कुल मिला के डॉक्टर भी बन गया मैं.
कुल मिला के, yes.
तो वो पता था ऑलरेडी कि यार
हाँ.
ये होने वाला है. There's going to be a lot of activity.
जी.
एक ही चीज रिलीज होती है तो बहुत कुछ होता है आपकी लाइफ
Right.
में. You know, there's
Promotions.
before the release, there's promotions and interviews. You're going to 5 different places, meeting new people every day.
हाँ.
Then shows come out. Hopefully, if they get good reception or bad reception, you know, that uncertainty is also there. Some anxiety is there. Then reactions come in.
हाँ.
वो बहुत अच्छे भी हो सकते हैं. आपने सोचा था उससे ज़्यादा अच्छे भी हो सकते हैं. आपने जितना सोचा था उससे थोड़ा कम भी हो सकते हैं. So, and how do you deal with, you know, so much happening around you and the kind of mental and physical activity that you're putting yourself through. So I think what has kept me going in the last 40 days is a sense of Shavasana. I have been, in fact, relying a lot on my meditation activity in these days, and I think that it has added a lot of value. Right? I can see that jitna amount of activity or and actually emotional activity also. Na? Even let's say receiving so much love or lust in this case from people, you know, it can make you feel a certain way.
Something wrong.
हाँ, तो इस तरह के comments और वो सब तो क्या होता है कई बार, you know, if there is a lot of good things also happening, it can affect your ego or you know, वो आपका दिमाग कहाँ चला जाता है. So just to have a sense of grounding कि यार ये ठीक है, ये सब हो रहा है,
मोह माया है.
हाँ ये मोह माया है, वो वाला एक attitude build करने के लिए कि यार this is, I should not let this affect my self esteem too much, right? Because ये हो रहा है, it's a good thing, I appreciate it, but it also comes and goes. It can also go away one day. You know, they might not like what
Right.
you do, and so if you start putting your ego up there, you know, then it can be a problem.
Right.
Also, and then it can affect your relationships with people also. लोग बोलते हैं ना, एक रिलीज हुई पिक्चर इसका एटीट्यूड बदल
Yeah,
गया,
yeah.
यार वो अब बात ही नहीं करता, वो ऐसे
हाँ.
करता है. I didn't want to let that happen to me.
हाँ.
Right. So I think I have strongly felt that the at least once a day meditation that I've been doing has added immense value to the fact that इतना सब कुछ हो रहा है, but I still feel
Grounded.
energetic, grounded, and I still know who I am, and there is no like. नहीं तो क्या आप पतंग बन जाते हो कि हवा में
उड़ ही रहे हो.
उड़ जाते हो थोड़ा सा.
But considering हवा की आप बात कर रहे हैं, इस घर में पराशर हाउस में there is Havas and Hava both are flying and moving.
हवा तो Instagram पे चल रही है.
Instagram bro, Instagram पे. And to keep yourself grounded, like you mentioned, yes, of course, you need to have some amount of meditation and self practice. आप पे अगर एक OTT फिल्म बनती या OTT सीरीज बनती with regards to yoga, I think we can call it Pranayam with Parashar.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I think maybe I can start an Instagram series.
Pranayam with dude, that's
Pranayam with Parashar is a nice one.
हाँ ना, nice alliteration also. Pranayam with Parashar. They sound really nice.
आज ही जाके रजिस्टर करा लेता हूँ मैं.
हाँ, Pranayam with Parashar would be really cool to
इससे
have
पहले
it.
कोई और पराशर शुरू करे.
And then you can also add one takya kalam at the end. Baba, you're beautiful.
यहाँ वो बाबा भी हूँ.
Baba bhi hu.
बाबा भी ऑलरेडी लोगों के लिए हूँ, which is also funny because शो में तो बाबा सुमित थे.
Right?
Right, and when it happened for the first time,
Right.
I didn't understand.
हाँ,
Even चितवन के टाइम
Right,
पे भी ऐसी
right,
एक्टिविटी हुई
right.
थी ना, बहुत सारा प्यार और
Right.
हवस
Right.
उस टाइम पे भी क्रिएट हुई थी. So I think वो learnings वहाँ से भी हैं कि यार, you know, once you've seen those cycles,
Right.
once you've seen enough, and I think I also believe that we were discussing whether we believe in God or not, but I was gonna say, you know, by whatever design, things have happened to me in slow measures, which is also, I think, a valuable thing to happen.
Okay.
I think that's a good thing that has happened.
हाँ.
Because जब आपको मेहनत से कोई चीज़ मिलती है, तो उसकी एक वैल्यू होती है आपकी लाइफ में. तो वो भी यही अगर मैं if I was 23, 24 and you know so much
सब कुछ मिल गया,
I would think like I'm the king of the world.
Yeah.
अब तो कौन है, अब तो मैं हूँ, I've arrived, I'm
हाँ.
शाहरुख खान. So that can become a trap. You know,
Okay.
and there are so many stories I hear.
हुए
about
बहुत सारे
them.
लोगों के साथ जो ऐसी सिचुएशन कहानी हम
होता
सबने
है.
सुनी है कि
कहानियाँ-
और वो बहुत ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी है. लोग कहते हैं ना कि अरे चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ गया, बट बहुत ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी
वही
हो जाता
correct.
है.
आपको पता है कि यार ये होगा ना. If
हाँ.
you get so much validation, it is a very natural reaction to that.
Right.
You know, we are all humans. हमारा दिमाग और बॉडी का वायरिंग कहीं ना कहीं
Right.
सबका अलग अलग है, but common भी है.
Right.
So we know that this kind of thing makes you feel a certain way, and if you feel a certain way for a long period of time, it can change the way you look at yourself. If the world is saying you are the best, you are the best, you are the best,
हाँ.
for example, if that gets stuck in your mind और आपको लगेगा यार
I'm the cat's
the
whiskers,
best.
I'm the
Yeah.
best.
Yeah, if you take it literally,
Right.
it can get you into a space.
It can
where-
derail you a bit.
It can derail you a bit. It can put you, throw you a little away from reality.
Let's talk about Gen Z language. You put in Dilulu.
Yeah, वो थोड़ा
Dilulu
डिलुलू
है
हो
वो.
सकता है. फिर लोग बोलते हैं, you know, I hear a lot from my I have filmmaker friends and writer friends, and वो बोलेंगे अरे मैं कल उस एक्टर से मिला भाई, वो तो अलग ही हो गया. अभी 3 महीने पहले तो ऐसे काम मांग रहा था, अभी वो ऐसे आया और यूँ बैठा. So what has happened? It is your self image has changed because people are looking at you a certain way. So I realized कि यार people are looking at you a certain way should not change how you look at yourself. You know, I am the same person I was 2 months ago.
पर उस पे बहुत काम लगता है यार अमोल. You have to work on
Yeah,
yourself
yeah,
internally
yeah.
because like you mentioned, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि इतना आपको प्यार और वैलिडेशन अगर मिलता है
Correct.
तो ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी है कि कोई भी ऐसा महसूस करेगा, फील करेगा कि ओ वाओ, आई एम ऑन टॉप ऑफ द
Yeah,
वर्ल्ड.
yeah, yeah.
यू हैव टू pull that dory down, and
Correct.
in this your friends close circle,
Yes, yes.
आपके family members,
Yes.
very essentially, and most importantly ये सारे लोग होंगे, लेकिन you have to work on yourself. It could be through a meditative practice, it could be through writing, it could be
Yes.
through self realization. वो realization की बारी बहुत लेट होती है, but
Yeah.
ये पहले आपको होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा खुद पे.
Correct.
How have you, honestly, you've tasted success, you've seen the ups and downs of the industry. How have you managed at times to tell yourself, no bro, just chill? Do you look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself that?
I mean, not really. I do look at myself in the mirror a lot.
हम आ रहे से पहले सर बैठे थे मिरर में कर रहे थे.
ऐसा कि जहाँ पे भी एक मिरर दिख जाता है, एक बार तो आप देखते
देखते
हो
हैं.
अपने आप को कि अच्छा
Yeah.
बाल ठीक है
हाँ.
कि नहीं है. And I've been made fun of also by my close friends
Right.
and family.
हाँ.
जहाँ शीशा दिख जाता है I think that's an actor thing.
Right. Sir, not an
it's
actor
also-
thing, it's a very, very guy thing, I think.
Yeah,
शीशा
maybe.
दिख गया हम देख ले.
I mean, girls are also stereotyped that way कि यार जहाँ पे शीशा दिखा दो वो अपना शुरू हो
वो
जाते
गलत
हैं।
स्टीरियोटाइप है लड़कियों के लिए, लड़के भी करते हैं.
बिल्कुल करते हैं. I think हर इंसान थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
क्यूरियस है अपने आप को लेके
Right.
कि यार मैं दिख कैसा रहा
हाँ.
हूँ. Because on a daily basis you don't get to look at yourself.
हाँ.
आप इमेजिन कर रहे हो कि आप अभी मैंने ऐसे शर्ट पहनी है मैं कैसा दिख रहा
दिख रहा,
होगा.
yeah.
मुझे नहीं पता है. So I think वो एक मेरे अंदर है
हाँ.
और वो शायद एक्टर होने की वजह से थोड़ा बढ़ गया है.
हाँ.
तो वो बाल वाल थोड़ा सा देखना कि हाँ
हाँ.
बाल वाल सही लग रहे हैं कि नहीं, शर्ट वर्ट ठीक
हाँ.
लग रहा है कि नहीं, वो मेरा मिरर में हो जाता है. बट आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव स्पोकन टू माई सेल्फ इन द मिरर एज मच कि तू ही है वैसा वाला नहीं हुआ है कभी मेरे साथ. बट आई थिंक वाई इट मे हैव हेल्प मी इज बिकॉज लाइक आई सेड थिंग्स हैव कम स्लोली.
तो आपको उसकी वैल्यू पता है.
तो एक वैल्यू पता है, थोड़ा सा ये भी पता है कि यार थोड़ा थोड़ा चखा है पहले भी, तो ये आता जाता है, थोड़ा सा अप एंड डाउन रहते हैं. सो लेट्स नॉट गेट टू एक्साइटेड, लेट्स नॉट गेट
Too disappointed.
टू डिसअपॉइंटेड. एंड क्योंकि ये बुरा फेस भी जाता है और अच्छा फेस भी जाता है. I was watching this amazing round table, this Hollywood actors round table. I think Tom Hanks said this. कि भाई, what is the biggest lesson that you have learnt in your life? And he just says, the biggest lesson that I have learnt is that life goes on. You might be at the top of the world,
Top game, everything.
but life will go on and everything changes. You can be at the bottom of your life and you can feel like everything is shit. कभी अच्छा नहीं होगा और अब तो मैं यहीं रह जाऊंगा, बर्बाद हो गया. Life goes on. So I think that can, of course, that comes with a little bit of age, little bit of experience,
Maturity,
little bit of
experience,
wisdom,
yeah.
little bit of थोड़ा धक्का वक्का खाते
हाँ.
हो, 2-3 गलतियां करते हो, उसके बाद आपको समझ में आता है कि अच्छा यार ये ऐसे नहीं होना है. And it's also where you, the person that you want to be, you know, हम बात कर रहे थे, you envision a certain
Envision,
person.
yes.
So you imagine कि यार I would like to be this kind of person.
Right.
But just liking is not enough.
Right.
Then you also have to work towards it.
right.
So then you find ways कि यार ऐसा बनने के लिए मुझे क्या करना होगा.
Right.
Maybe, you know, I'll have to make sure that, you know, I'm grounded. I'll have to make sure that my friendships are grounded.
हाँ.
That the closest people that I
Right.
have, family की सुनो.
हाँ.
मतलब ना कि because at the deepest of level, they are the people who actually care for you.
Right.
And so you have to look at yourself from their eyes. There is, of course, a lot of fun in the fan love and lust that we discussed.
Yeah.
There's a lot of fun. So you enjoy it, but you don't let it affect who you are.
What we're going to do is we're going to do a quick rapid fire with you, yoga
Yeah.
edition. You've got to
Yeah.
tell us, okay? This is your yoga edition rapid fire. One co-actor of yours who you think requires maximum yoga.
Requires maximum yoga. Oh, that's a tricky question, huh? How to say maximum yoga?
Or one who can give yoga classes because he or she is so zen.
I've seen Sumit is quite zen, yeah.
हाँ.
Sumit is quite zen. In fact, lately I've been seeing him doing like full Sirshasan headstands and all
हाँ.
on Instagram. I was like, Baba,
Baba, you're really beautiful.
But he has a very nice,
Aura.
nice aura and an attitude towards life which is very inspiring and encouraging because he doesn't take it too seriously.
I like what you said. Doesn't take it too seriously, and that's how
Yeah.
I think most of us need to try and
Yeah.
live our lives. One yoga pose that describes your current state of mind.
Like I said, I'm trying to be Shavasana. I'm trying to be Shavasana because already there is
हाँ.
so much happening
हाँ.
in life
हाँ.
which is not in my control.
हाँ.
So within myself, I'm trying to
Sthir.
just be still.
Nice. Yoga in your lovely balcony out here or sitting on your couch and watching a series?
Yeah, between the two, it may sound like a lie, but I think I'd do yoga.
Yoga?
And I have done early mornings when I've had those phases
Right.
when I'm doing yoga. It's a nice place, 5-6 in the morning. If
Green.
I can wake up,
Yeah.
it's green, it's silent. I can see the sunrise there. The sunset happens here. It's a nice spot that I've luckily found. Also because I don't have the habit of watching
Too much. Nice.
it's not in my just daily habits. मतलब टीवी का रिमोट नहीं ऑन होता है, बहुत रेयरली ऑन.
It doesn't come naturally to you.
It doesn't come naturally to me. It is not an activity that, it's not the first, second, third
हाँ.
activity that I'll think of कि अरे कुछ नहीं है तो क्या करूँ.
हाँ.
टीवी बहुत कम बार चालू
Nice.
होगा. Unless it's very specific thing that you know I'm want to watch or I'm looking forward to watching or I have to watch because of some work or some research or anything.
Only then.
But otherwise I'm looking for other kinds of activities. I'll probably read, probably spend some time on my phone, probably just not do anything also, just lie in my bed.
But that's also very good because
yeah.
doing nothing is also doing something, because that's the maximum you're working
Yeah,
when
I
you're
think
doing
you
nothing.
need some kind of boredom in life. I also
realize we overstimulate our minds too
Yeah,
much.
yeah, yeah.
बहुत overstimulate करते हैं हम
भाई
लोग.
इतनी आदत ही नहीं थी ना यार. I mean, if you look at it from a scientific point of view also, the brains haven't evolved in the last 10,000 years.
I think algorithm is controlled our life का rhythm. It's like that.
It is वो वैसा पंजा है वो आपके दिमाग
चक्रव्यूह है
के-
भाई,
हाँ,
निकल नहीं सकते.
It's almost like a drug.
It is.
You know, it is giving you some kind of hits कि
हाँ.
ये अच्छा hit, बुरा hit. ये
हाँ.
so it feels like you stimulating yourself a lot.
Constantly, no?
But I don't know if our brains are have evolved for
To
this
take that kind of
this
influx,
amount
so
of
much of-
stimulation.
If your yoga mat could talk to you in the morning, what was the first thing your yoga mat would say to you?
कि रोज आया करो.
On that note, my name is Glenn Sildana. I am Glenn searching for Zen. Today we were at Amol's house. Alright, so जैसा मैंने कहा था, it's yoga day है, pose कर, and we are at Amol's house over here. हमने कहा कि beat down celebs के साथ हम pose करते हैं कैमरे के सामने.
Done, done.
आप warrior हैं मेरे लिए, तो let's do the warrior pose.